Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Brady and I'm the sales rep for 2O Motorsport. Just picked myself up this Renegade 570X MR earlier this spring. Had it out for a few test drives so far. This weekend I've had it out for a real good ride, so I'll be posting some videos on that ride. A lot of fun, but so far very impressed with this machine. Really impressed with the Fox suspension. It rides great. The whole machine sounds good, feels good, lots of power. Put the Dalton 570 clutch kit in it just to help out with the heavier tires on it. Really sprouted it up a bit. Put the Link Q rear rack on it and the rad kit, and the whole time I was out it was pretty warm and she didn't even heat up. So that's good with the rad up top, not getting plugged up. But so far very impressed with this machine, and stay tuned for videos on it.